Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing not working on your iPhone. We have found several reports on the internet lately by many iPhone users complaining about the issue where they are not able to pair the Bluetooth device successfully to another device or any iPhone or any other car. So let's get started the video and let me show you how you can fix it. So the first step would be to restart your iPhone. Sometime a simple restart can fix your iPhone or any bug in the device that can malfunction Bluetooth not to work. Simply you can press the volume up and power button at the same time and you will see this slide to power off. Simply restart your device. Once you've done this, try to connect the Bluetooth to see if the Bluetooth is working or not. Then move on to the next step. The next step is connect your Bluetooth device to another iPhone. Try connecting your device with another iPhone to see if that goes successful. So if you still face that issue, then move on to the next step. The next step is turn off Bluetooth and turn it on again. For that you can go to settings, click on Bluetooth, turn it off, and then just wait for a few seconds, then turn it on again to see if it start working. And if it's still not working, then make sure that you click on forget the device and freshly pair it again. Simply select your device, click on forget this device, and then turn off Bluetooth again, turn it on again, and connect your device again to see if it start working. And if it's still not working, then move on to the next step. The next step is perform a reset setting on your iPhone. Simply go to settings. You won't lose any of your data, but it can fix your problem. Click on general, scroll down, click on transfer reset, click on reset, reset all setting, enter the passcode of your iPhone, and then click on reset setting. As you can see, this will reset all setting. No data or media will be deleted. Once you've done this, your Bluetooth will start working. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.